Welcome friends! In this video we will be recreating the famous map from the classic first... Hold up! Did I just eat my teammate off the map? Well, my bad. Anyway, in this video we recreate the iconic map from the classic first-person shooter Unreal Tournament from 1999, which was like 5 years ago, right? Facing Worlds, because this is the name of our map, is a capture the flag type of game. It's basically two bases connected by a bridge floating in space. The gameplay is very dynamic and intense, but the success of this map lies in its simplicity and location. But we can't just ignore that climatic drum and bass soundtrack. Did I just hit my teammate again? What's wrong with me? In modeling I will focus on external shape and not so much on the inside of these two bases. And at the end of the video I will import this map into our Unity game. Check this video too, link in the description. So buckle up, because we will be using dark magic unknown to mortal man to recreate this map. I gotta be honest guys, the end result is not certain as my Blender knowledge is very questionable. Dear 3D artist, judge me not harshly, for my intentions are not but sincere. Okay, enough talk.
Enough talk!
Let's get to work. And not waste your precious time. See you in 12 days. Okay, that was a bit painful. The ground is finished. Now time for a base. Okay, that was even more painful. But now we can add some textures. Okay, that's pretty much our model. Let's import it now in Unity. See you in a minute. Okay, let's be honest. It's far from perfect, but when you squint your eyes, you kinda see a resemblance. But it will do for now. Mostly I wanted to make this for practice purposes. And I hope that no 3D artist will want to crucify me after this. Thanks guys for watching and see you in the next one.